What kind of sound does Kuya Randy's car make? What about Papa's car? What about a monkey? What about Dora?
I want to make cupcakes.
Let's go sing the mermaid song.
Okay, what's the mermaid song? Okay, what does Kuya Rudolph do? I'm gonna climb a tree. Kuya Rudolph climbs trees?
Yeah.
Okay, what about Kuya Randy? Kuya Randy. Say, I have to fart.
Yeah, let's go how to pour. Disgusting.
He's disgusting. What about Atabina?
What?
What about Atabina? What does she do?
Her breath's stinky.
Your breath is bitter.
What?
Your breath is bitter. Think.
Huh?
Are you chupa thing?
No, don't do that.
Are you
What kind of sound does Atabina make?
Wah.
I don't cry, you meanie.
How about a horse?
What about a horse?
Get up. How about a donkey?
I want a donkey now. Sorry if this is really shaky. That's a donkey?
How about a monster?
How about a monster? That's a ghost. What's a monster?
Stomp.
Stomp.
Feet.
Big feet.
Yeah.
What about Papa?
I want to eat cactus, Papa.
I want to
I
eat.
want to eat cactus.
No.
Like the show.
You like the show? What kind of show does Papa watch?
I want mouse.
Okay, what kind of sound does Mouse make?
I got a sword.
What?
Sword.
I got a sword. Look. Oh, from what was that called? Do you remember that movie? Oh, The Tale of Despero. Cause it's a sword.
What's a good sword?
Yeah, it's a sword.
How about... He told
How
to turn to a rock.
about? Okay, turn into a rock.
Kaboom.
Kaboom.
1, 2, 3. Muscle.
Blast off.
That's not a rock.
Rocket.
That's a rocket. Are you on an airplane?
That's what an airplane sounds like.
Shut
That's
up.
what an airplane sounds like.
What does an airplane sound like?
Oh, it's so hard.
Okay,
This is me.
what about... What else is there, Randy? What else is there? Okay, make funny faces.
So let me make the alphabet with your hands.
Okay, make the alphabet with your hands.
Or a.
Do you know the ABCDs? Do you know your ABCDs?
A, B, C, D.
Yay! What kind of sound does the baby make? I want milk. That's Maddie. That's not a baby.
I'm not a baby.
You're not a baby. What are you?
I'm Madden.
Are you a boy or a girl?
Madden.
You're your own kind.
What's your name?
What's your name?
I see you sound.
Huh?
I see you sound, okay?
Okay.